Hello there to all Kia Access app users having trouble with the app. Did your Kia Access app suddenly lost connection to your car? Let's move on quickly to the solution that worked for me. After using this app for more than 2 years without major issues, I recently noticed that out of nowhere I was no longer able to lock, start, or even know the location of my car by using the app. I tried all things you can imagine. I disconnected from Wi-Fi, restarted my phone, logged out and logged into the app. I did the offload app data of the iPhone, but none of that worked. Then I decided to look at my Kia's infotainment system where that connection is first set up. Let's look at the symptoms that I was noticing. When I was refreshing the app or pressing on the Find My Car option, it was timing out with no update status from my Kia. The modem information and status from the UVO menu were showing mostly zeros and not the typical numbers. Also, upon pressing the info button that is beside the map lights, I was getting the message mobile network unavailable. So finally, how to fix it? So you will need a thin object like a paper clip or a precision screwdriver. And by the way, in case you don't have any of those, I'm including the Amazon link for those in the description. So I use a thin precision screwdriver to press the reset button that is located below the volume knob of my Kia's infotainment system. So immediately after pressing the reset button, the screen went black, then the UVO logo came up, and the normal display came back. At this point, the modem information and status from the UVO menu were showing actual numbers. I'm covering the real numbers here since every car has different numbers, but what really matters is that now I can see actual numbers and not zeros. Once I got to this point, I tested the app again. Thankfully, I had regained access to all my features from the Kia Access app. I'm now able to successfully remote start the car. If your Kia does not have the reset button under the volume knob, it might be located on a different spot. But look closely because I never noticed that button was there until now. Once again, you will need some thin objects as tools to reset your infotainment system. In case you don't have any of those, I'm including the Amazon link for those in the description. I hope this solution works for you. Please like and leave your comment or questions in this video. Thanks for watching.